Hello guys, welcome to Dulce Mood, and today we're gonna make a magical and delicious unicorn cake. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let's start. For the unicorn horn, we're gonna need a white fondant. You can make your own fondant or buy it. With the help of a barbecue stick and water, start wrapping your fondant around the stick. When you're done, leave to dry into your cake form or cake dummy. I'm gonna add icing sugar on the work table because this situation is a little sticky, and we're gonna start making the ears for the unicorn. For this we use a heart-shaped cookie cutter. Mix the non-toxic gold color dust and a few drops of coconut extract. Start painting the unicorn ears. Give it a little bit of shape, insert a toothpick, leave to dry into your cake dummy. When our horn is completely dry, we can start painting. Let it dry and let's make the cake. First thing first, preheat your oven. Next, in a large bowl, add unsalted butter, white granulated sugar, and beat until light and fluffy. Add egg whites one at a time, beating very good after each addition. Add lemon extract and beat well. Sift 1 part of the flour and baking powder to the mixture and mix until just combine. Half of the milk, a little mix, A little more of flour, a little mix. We finish with the milk. Beat until just combine, and the rest of the flour, and don't forget the salt. Add 3 drops of white color inside the batter. Mix well. Now you can paint the batter with the color you have chosen. Prepare your pans with baking spray. Divide the batter into the cake pans. Bake for 17 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the centers come out clean. Remember, each oven is different. These cakes smell really amazing. Let it rest this delicious cake for 5 minutes, and after that we can unmold. Let the cakes cool completely. For the buttercream, we're gonna beat for 5 minutes on high speed the batter. Gradually add icing sugar. Beat very well after each addition. Scrub the bowl very good, and now we're gonna beat on high speed for 5 minutes more. Few drops of white food color to the buttercream and mix. Let's start put together the cake. It's very easy. 1 layer of cake, 1 layer of buttercream, just a little buttercream, not too much. Other layer of cake, buttercream, and like that. Spread a thin layer of buttercream all over the cake to secure any crumbs. Finish icing the cake with a thick layer of the frosting. Use a bench scraper to get lovely, smooth and straight sides. Divide the remaining buttercream icing, then color the portions with any colors you like. Remember, only use food color. Now we're gonna make the unicorn eyes with black fondant. Enjoy decorating your cake. hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoy make this video for you guys. I love unicorns. I know a little old, but I still love unicorns. And tell me what recipes or what else you would like to see on the channel. Please feel free to leave any suggestion in the comments. I hope you subscribe to this channel. And by the way, my name is Fabiana. See you the next week. Bye! Mwah!